Hi, back again. In our fifth and final example, we are going to be factoring 24x squared plus 92x plus 80. All right, see, this is what I was talking about earlier where I said the reason we factor is because we're starting to get bigger and bigger and bigger numbers. Once you start getting bigger numbers, it would be much harder to process in your brain, especially when we're multiplying a 24 times a squared term, a 92 times that same term, and then adding 80. That's a lot of work to do without breaking it down and making the problem a little bit simpler. This is why we are factoring it. Again, the first thing we want to factor out is see, is there a constant that goes into both 24, 92, and 80? And yes, there is. There is only one. Well, two goes in as well. But the number that goes in that is the largest in this case is 4. If you look and you try any number bigger than 4, 8 doesn't go into 92. 10 doesn't go into 92 or 24. So, unfortunately, the only number that you can divide out in this case will be the number 4, okay? 20, so when we factor out the 4, we can bring that to the front, and we get 4 times 6x squared plus 23x plus 20. Again, that's as small as we can get it in a trinomial form. We can't pull out any higher constants. In this case, our A term is 6, our B term is 23, and our C term is 20. So we're going to use the AC method that we did in problem 4 once again, but now we're going to only use it for the terms that are within our parentheses. Okay, so 6 times 20 equals 120. Now, since the B term is also positive and the C term is positive, we only have to use positive factors of 120. Even though negative times negative equals positive, negative plus negative will always be negative. So since B is positive, that middle term, the factors can't be positive. So let's go through all our factors of 120. 1 times 121, 2 times 60, 3 times 40, 4 times 30, 5 times 24, 6 times 20, 8 times 15, and 10 times 12 are all the positive factors of 120. Again, once you get to numbers that are close enough together, you can stop looking for factors. As one gets bigger, the other will get smaller, and eventually they'll hit somewhere close to the middle. It usually won't be exactly in the middle, but as you get closer and closer, you should be able to find it. All right. Now let's add. 1 plus 120 equals 121. 2 plus 60 equals 62. 3 plus 40 equals 43. 4 plus 30 equals 34. 5 plus 24 equals 29. 6 plus 20 equals 26. 8 plus 15 equals 23. And 10 plus 12 equals 22. We are looking for the B term, 23. So when we add those two together, we need to equal the number 23, which in our case is 8 plus 15, because 8 plus 15, as I just stated, equals 23. So we're going to replace that 23x with an 8x plus a 15x. So our quadratic expression is 4 times 6x squared plus 8x plus 15x plus 20. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does the order matter of the 8x and the 15x? It does not. Either way, when you factor it, you will get one of the two factors by grouping. So don't worry about that. The only thing you have to worry about in a different type of problem, not this one, is negatives or positives. But in this case, it's all positives. Okay. So when we factor 6x squared plus 8x, just the first two by grouping, the number that goes into both 6x squared and 8x is 2x. Okay, so we keep the 4 in the front, and we bring the 2x to the front second. 6x squared divided by 2x is 3x, And 8x divided by 2x is 4. So we have 2x times the sum of 3x plus 4. And in 15x plus 20, we can factor out a 5. 5 goes into 15 3x times, 5 goes into 15x 3x times, and 5 goes into 20 4 times. So 15x plus 20 equals 5 times 3x plus 4. See again, the 3x plus 4 is in each term. So our final expression is 4 times the coefficients 2x plus 5 and 3x plus 4. Hope this helped. Good luck factoring your quadratic expressions, and I'll see you another time soon. Bye!